How to solve missing likes or messages not delivering on the Hinge app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how you can solve if your likes are missing and if your messages are also not getting delivered on the Hinge app. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're experiencing missing likes or messages not delivering on Hinge, the first thing that we can check is our internet connection and make sure that our internet connection is quite stable. After that, you can open up Hinge and try to log out of your account once and log in again. So go to your profile, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, scroll down and log out of your Hinge account and re-log in to see if that helps you. You also have to make sure that you have completed your profile details. So whenever you have not completed your profile details, you'll have some restrictions. So make sure to complete whatever prompts or images Hinge asks you to. Try to restart the app and restart your device and ensure that your Hinge app is also updated to the latest version through your respective app stores. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.